Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick little channel update video today, so I'm going to do a full-length video tomorrow, but today at least I just have a few miscellaneous little things that don't really fit anywhere else, so I thought I'd post them in their own video. First off, most importantly, it's Remembrance Day or Veterans Day or Armistice Day, wherever in the world you live, so if you're a veteran or active duty, or you're the spouse of someone who's active duty, child, I just want to say thank you for your service. So the second big piece of news for the channel is I actually got a sponsor. So it's Masso.
Masso is better at making videos than me.
They're the guys who make the controller that I use for my mini CNC lathe. I'm pretty excited about that. I'd originally thought for a while about seeking out sponsorships or whether or not I wanted to get a sponsor. I've been approached a few times before from sort of kind of sketchy overseas companies, and I was concerned about sort of a perceived conflict of interest there. But I was thinking, like, I don't really review things on my channel. I do like Masso, I like their product, I like their company, I like their customer service, and their terms are extremely loose for the sponsorship. I'll just be showing the clip at the beginning of the videos. They're fine with that. They don't care if the video has anything to do with CNC even. So yeah, it's super chill and laid back. I don't want to make it seem like I'm going to go out and plug any product that comes up to talk to me. Like I've said, I've turned down products before. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to change the sort of day-to-day of how I'm going to sort of present videos or anything. But yeah, their terms are super loose and they seem like really nice guys. So I do like the Masso controller, so I may do a review on it in the future, in which case I'll obviously say I'm sponsored by them, although I don't think that really makes much of a difference for how I'm going to present the product, but and they said they would be okay with that. That's a pretty big step for the channel. It's going to make it easier to sort of move projects forward faster. Ultimately, one of the things that sort of hangs me up is just waiting to sort of build up enough money to be able to buy the parts I need. So with a system like this, things should get faster, which is great. So yeah, anyways, thanks to Masso, and I guess my next video will be the first one sponsored by them, so cool. So the third big update is that the channel just crossed 13,000 subscribers, so that's pretty awesome. I think I'm getting a Bakelite play button, so I imagine that'll be in the mail soon. The fourth big thing is for the CNC lathe. I'm just about done with the calculations for the gearbox. I've got to design all the parts next, but I'm just taking my time and making sure I get everything right so I can do a video on the gearbox design process, which I think will be pretty helpful. It's been really hard for me not to start designing a gear hobber. Gear hobber is a machine that cuts or grinds gears, and yeah, more I look at those machines, the cooler they look, but I think at least for this I'm gonna have to buy the gears, so the Masso sponsorship's really gonna help with that. The sponsorship in general I think is gonna push the project forward a little faster, so that's pretty awesome. So the gear video is gonna be coming up soon. My next video is actually going to be how I made this prop for Halloween. It is a single action army elastic band shooter, so that was a lot of fun to make. That was a really fast project. I had to get it done in I guess I had the idea 2 weeks before Halloween, so I had sort of a week and a half of evenings to make it. So the craftsmanship is maybe a little sketchy, but it's fun. Yeah, it works really well, so I'm gonna put the plans up on Patreon when they're ready, and yeah, do a video on how I made it. The last thing, being that it's Veterans Day, I just thought I'd give a shout out to Spirit of the Warrior. He's new on YouTube, and he makes things as a way of dealing with PTSD, which I think is really cool. He doesn't have any videos of him making anything just yet. He has an Etsy store with some really cool stuff in it though, and he just put up a video on how he deals with PTSD, which I think is really worth watching. So put a link in the video description anyways. You should really go check him out. He's a natural presenter, so that should be good. Anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, this was just a quick update video. I'm going to do a more detailed video on my Halloween prop probably tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Cheers!